Good morning, everyone. So, here we are to discuss nouns today. Let's proceed. So, nouns can be anything that can be defined as the name of any person, place, animal or thing. यानी कि किसी भी चीज का जो नाम होता है उसको हम नाउन की तरह बोल सकते हैं. It can be a person, it can be a monument or a place. It can be an animal like tiger, dog, cat, and it can be a thing like pen, box, or bag. Let's proceed. There are two types of noun that we can recall, such as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's proceed on what are countable nouns. So countable nouns are for things that we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. A singular form can use the determiner a or an. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे a और an तो आर्टिकल होता है, तो ये डिटर्मिनर कैसे होता है? But it comes under the determiner category. All the articles come under the determiner category. For example, Ram plays football, or Anuradha have 30 books at her house. That means Ram, football, and Anuradha all are nouns, countable nouns of some sort. Now, we must proceed to uncountable nouns. The nouns that cannot be counted, although we can measure or weight them, are called as uncountable nouns. For example, work is a worship until we do it. अब काम जो होता है, वर्क जो होता है, उसे हम काउंट तो कर नहीं सकते हैं, but we know it is a name for some activity or something, so that will be called as uncountable nouns. Should we proceed to next slides? Okay, now there are three types of countable nouns which we can recall. First is proper noun, second is common noun, and third is collective noun. Now we must learn proper noun, common noun and collective noun कि ये क्या होते हैं, इनकी definitions और इनके examples. So a common noun is a general name for a person, place or thing or an idea. It is not specific and not capitalized until it starts a sentence. Now, what's proper noun? Proper noun can be called as specific names of people, places, or organizations, such as London, Shakespeare, Google. और common noun क्या हो जाएगा? In some city. London का common noun होगा city, right? और London का common noun होगा capital. Shakespeare का common noun होगा poet, और हम कह सकते हैं a writer. Now, what is collective noun? Collective noun are name for a group of individual or objects. For example, a team of players, a flock of birds, or a family of members. Now, as we can see clearly, कि proper noun Eiffel Tower, Paris, February, Betty is the name of this girl. Mr. Pickles is the name of the cat, and Cherry Street is the name of the streets these houses or these buildings are in. Now, what are common nouns? Books. Which book? Doesn't specify. Apple, cat. यहाँ पर जैसे मिस्टर पिकल्स था, यहाँ पर है cat. Shoe, ball, dog, tree, car, chair, pencil, flower, and frog. Now, what are collective nouns? A collective noun is a word used to describe a group of people, animal, or things as a single unit. Instead of naming each member of the group individually, a collective noun helps you talk about them as one whole group. For example, a team of players, a flock of birds, a bunch of grapes, an army of soldiers. Here, a team is a common noun and player can be a common and a proper noun. दैट मीन्स ये फर्स्ट वाला जो एग्जांपल है, अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स, इसमें जो टीम है वो एक कॉमन नाउन होना चाहिए, और प्लेयर्स जो है वो एक कॉमन नाउन भी हो सकता है और एक प्रॉपर नाउन भी हो सकता है। मतलब प्रॉपर जो नेम होता है उसका वो भी हो सकता है, और कॉमनली उस कैटेगरी को क्या बोलते हैं वो भी हो सकता है। एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? चलो, we must proceed to some must know examples of animal collective noun, such as a pride of lions, a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a flock of sheep, a pack of wolves, hounds or dogs, a school of fish, a colony of ants, a troop of monkeys, a litter of puppies, a murder of crows, a gaggle of geese, a pod of whales, or a pod of dolphins. Some must know examples of things or objects as a collective noun, such as a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a bouquet of flowers, a deck of cards, a pack of cards, a fleet of ships, a fleet of cars, a fleet of aircraft. ये तीनों हो सकते हैं. A set of tools, dishes, rules, a range of mountains or a range of products, a stack of books or a stack of papers, a bundle of sticks, a bundle of letters, or a bundle of clothes, a library of books, a galaxy of stars, or a constellation of stars. Both can be used here. A pair of shoes or a pair of binoculars, a batch of cookies, or a batch of bread, or a batch of documents. Some must know examples of persons collective nouns: a team of players, a class of students, a gang of robbers, a committee of directors or managers, a crew of sailors or a crew of workers, a staff of employees or a staff of teachers, a cast of actors or a troupe of dancers, a band of musicians or an orchestra of musicians, a choir of singers, a crowd of people or a mob of people, a panel of judges, यहाँ पर जूरी भी हो सकता है, a jury of judges, or a panel of experts, a congregation of worshippers, a board of directors. Now we must proceed to types of uncountable nouns. See, here I made cuboid for material or substance noun. Material or substance noun are some nouns that can be touched or felt through our bare hands. And abstract nouns are feelings or nouns that cannot be touched but only felt. Some material nouns can be gold, silver, milk, or diamond. Right? We can touch it, they are materials, right? For example, gold is very costly. Plastic is an insulator of electricity or heat. The bat is made of wood. A diamond is a very precious metal. We eat food on a steel plate. So, what we can conclude from it is the material noun is a special type of noun that describes the matter, substance, or the things with which they are made up of, or the substance which with the thing is made. For example, gold, silver, iron, aluminium, etc. Now, what are abstract nouns? Abstract noun is a type of noun that represents intangible concepts. Intangible का मतलब होता है that are not flexible concepts, that are not touchable or feelable, touchable concepts, कि उनको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, राइट? इनटेंजिबल का मतलब होता है आइडियाज, क्वालिटीज, इमोशंस और स्टेट्स दैट कैन नॉट बी परसीव्ड थ्रू द फाइव सेंसेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लव, करेज, ब्यूटी, ग्रेटिट्यूड. ग्रेटिट्यूड का मतलब होता है थैंक्स गिविंग. हैप्पीनेस, ऑनेस्टी, कंपैशन, सक्सेस, freedom, kindness, friendship, peace, justice, patience, loyalty, empathy, knowledge, wisdom, generosity, integrity, truth, hope, tolerance, and sympathy. Everybody understood all the types? Right? Countable के अंदर तीन types होते हैं: common noun, proper noun, collective noun. ये हमने इसकी definitions पढ़ी, इनके कुछ examples पढ़े. कलेक्टिव नाउन को हमने डिस्कस किया. उसके बाद हमारे पास अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स थे दो टाइप के, मटेरियल नाउन और सब्सटेंस नाउन. इनको आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, इनकी डेफिनेशन या एग्जाम्पल जो भी आपको चाहिए हो। चलिए, दिस इज अप फॉर द फर्स्ट क्लास and I will see you in the next one. My name is Karthik. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the channel, like and comment on the video if you like the video. Thank you so much and have a very good day. Thank you.